Nothing but Christmas nails and wagging dog tails. Welcome back to BTP, where we're protecting another property owner in Melbourne from excessive water pressures. At BTP, we pride ourselves on an organised and productive work environment. Have a look at this, boys. Everything I need right at my fingertips. Now, this water meter is missing a pressure limiting valve. 700 kPa, way too high. Now let's set this valve up, drain the system down, and get cracking. Feast your eyes on my skill set. Look at these hands. Fucking magic. Pick your phone up. Call me now. Actually, don't even call me. I'm on my way. Knock, knock. Who's there? I am. Pick your front door up. Whoa, I'm coming.